The AssetShield Fixed Index Annuity is designed to help you get the most out of your annuity by allowing you to choose how your money works for you with added accumulation potential while shielding your growth from risk due to index volatility. With the AssetShield, you choose how your money grows with several interest crediting strategies. Linked to changes in your choice of indices that measure domestic, global, and technology markets. Each of these indices is transparent and trackable, so you can track potential growth at any time. Your choice of allocation and strategies allows for broad diversification across a selection of market sectors. Plus, you can choose to purchase and lock in increased rates for added growth opportunities. These choices are backed by the guarantee that your principal is safe from volatility. You will never lose money due to an index decrease, and your assets will grow tax-deferred until you draw income. The AssetShield is designed to help grow money over the long term. But if you need access to funds along the way, there are free 10% withdrawals annually and partial withdrawal options. We know you have a lot of options when it comes to your retirement asset options. Ask your financial professional about how choosing American Equity's AssetShield can work for you.